in this question, you have to identify the type of plants that have little or no secondary growth. Option A, grasses. Now, grasses are monocotyledonous plants, and monocots have little or no secondary growth due to the absence of the vascular cambium, now which is responsible for producing secondary xylem and phloem. So, grasses and other monocots do not exhibit the thickening of the stem or the roots. Hence, this is the correct option. Option B, deciduous angiosperms. It is incorrect because these are usually dicots and they exhibit secondary growth due to the presence of vascular cambium. Option C, cycads. It is also incorrect because these are gymnosperms and they show secondary growth. Option D, conifers. It is also incorrect because these are also gymnosperms and they have secondary growth, leading to the formation of wood, that is secondary xylem.